In this first module, we'll cover the way in which Tableau is organized and how you can navigate through the system. Once you are logged into Tableau, you will come to a home screen. In the top right-hand corner, you should see your name. If you see someone else's name, you may not have access to all of the things that you need access to. So please ensure that you see your name. If you do not see your name in the top right-hand corner, click on the downward pointing arrow next to the name you see and then mouse over and click on Switch User. This will bring you to a sign-in screen. You will need to sign in using the same username and password you used to get into your computer. Now, to help you navigate within the system, there are several organizational concepts to be aware of. On the left menu, you see Projects, Workbooks, and Views. These are the basic ways in which the content within Tableau is organized. Since Workbooks is bolded on the left navigation menu, this tells you that you are looking at workbooks. On the right, you will see icons of the various workbooks that are available to you. The workbooks that are available to you are dependent on your security rights within Infinite Campus and Tableau. At any time, you may get into any of these workbooks by clicking on the workbook icon. However, for now, let's understand a little bit more about projects by clicking on Projects in the left navigation menu. You will know you are looking at Projects when Projects is slightly bolded and has an orange bar next to it on the left navigation menu. Projects are like filing cabinet drawers. They can hold several different workbooks. Currently, you should see 3 projects: Default, Quarterly Reports, and Student Dashboards. Additionally, you should be able to see how many workbooks are within the projects. In this example, you see that there are no workbooks in the default project, 2 workbooks in the quarterly reports project, and 4 workbooks in the student dashboards project. Now, let's click within the student dashboards project to better understand how workbooks work. Once you click the student dashboards project, you should see several workbooks. Specifically, because the project's page said there were 4 workbooks in this project, you should see 4 workbooks. Workbooks are like a notebook that can hold several different pages or sections. Just to reiterate, which workbooks you see is based on your permissions within Infinite Campus and Tableau. Now, let's click the Attendance Analysis workbook in order to understand how to navigate within a view or dashboard. Views or dashboards are really where you want to get to. It is within a view that you can see and manipulate data. As you can see, the Attendance Analysis workbook has 4 dashboards within it. Let's click into the Attendance Analysis dashboard to familiarize ourselves with how we can navigate within a dashboard. Once you have clicked into a dashboard, there are some standard ways in which the dashboard and workbook are laid out and some organizational concepts to be aware of. First, you should continue to see your name in the top right corner. Second, if you are within a workbook with multiple views or dashboards, you should typically see the names of those dashboards in tabs across the top. Third, in all dashboards, you should see 4 standard Tableau icons at the top center of the dashboard. These icons allow you to export the dashboard, revert filters, pause auto updates, and refresh data. These functions will be covered in the other modules. Finally, in the top left corner, you should see the name of the dashboard, the Tableau icon, and the words Back and Workbook. You may use the Tableau icon and the words Back and Workbook to navigate. By clicking on the word Back, you can get back to the last place you were at. By clicking on the word Workbook, you can get to the screen that has all of the dashboards within that workbook. Finally, you can always get back to your home screen by clicking on the circle of plus signs in the top left corner. We hope this training module has been useful, and we encourage you to explore our other training modules. If you have any questions about Tableau or need technical support for Tableau, please feel free to contact either Christina Ethier or Rachel Robinson in the Division of Accountability and Research.